Okay guys, welcome to BTC Extreme. Today I'm going to show you how you can include Nightbot to your live stream. Why is it important? Because Nightbot is a chatbot for Twitch and YouTube that allows you to automate your live streams chat with moderation and new features allowing you to spend more time entertaining your viewers. So this Nightbot is a moderator. It's an application which you can control spammers in your chat. Okay, so let's begin. Here, you just go to nightbot.tv. So you can just type in nightbot.tv and you will go to this website. Okay, so this website and you sign up. You will go to this page and well, I'm already in, but as you can see on the page, you can link your channel, YouTube channel, to this application. Then once you have linked your channel, you will go to this dashboard. In this dashboard, you will see the chat stats. As you can see that I have a live stream in last June 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So after the dashboard, there is commands and custom and default under the commands. In the custom setting, you can set this, you can add any customized commands. Here I've added the command for FB or Facebook, and when I type exclamation point FB, the message will pop up in the chat box. Follow me in Facebook, and this is my link. Okay, and you can just click here to add a command like that. And here is the command. This is an example. So you will type exclamation point, for example, YouTube, and then what's your message. If you have a link, you can type your link here if you want them to follow you on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And you can set the user level. And of course, if you want to set it for everyone, that's the lowest. Okay. And if this command, you want that only you can execute this command, you will type here owner. Okay, or moderator if you want, but the lowest is everyone. Okay. And the cooldown, which means that if you type this command, you will you can only use this again after 5 seconds. You can set this your given amount of time to cool down, so that you can reuse this command, because sometimes when other users want to use this command, it might spam your chat room. You can set this of 10 seconds, so there's no spamming. Okay, then submit. And then, well, because I have it set up, so once you have set this up, then you can click submit. Okay, and you will see your customized commands here. Okay, and the default, Under the commands, there are default commands, and here it is. You can disable it or enable it, and for the options, you can choose the options. Okay, so you can customize this. So who can use the command? So at this level, that's everyone. And the cooldown is 10 seconds. You can also adjust the cooldown period. Okay, and then submit. But I haven't used everyone this, except for example, if you want to have a potation. So there are polls. So here you can set who can execute the potation. So here the user level is moderator and above. Okay, then submit. That's your setting. And then regulars, you can set up your regular viewers, your regular chatters in your live stream. You can set it up. And the option, so user level. So here the default is a moderator. Okay. So when you type exclamation point regulars, you will see usernames that are regulars on that chat room who are present. Okay, if you have set it up, who are your regulars? Okay, and then exclamation point songs. Well, I have disabled it because of copyright issues. Okay, so this provides users in the chat with the ability to request songs. There is a capability of requesting songs. And then here, there's a title, shows the stream title. Okay. And here, if you want to choose a random winner, okay, so you can use this command, exclamation point winner. So it is enabled. You can, every one of this command, you can enable or disable. Okay. So that's the default commands. The giveaways, you can input here the users that are eligible, and you can set it up if it is mods, regular supporters, or users. So if it's highlighted in blue, then they are eligible to win the giveaways. Okay, and the giveaway type for active users. Okay, keyword random number, so you can choose, and you can also how many times they can win. A supporter is 3 times more likely to win a giveaway, so you can set this up. So how many times they can win. Regular luck, regulars are 3 times more likely to win. If you want to be biased to regulars, you can set this up that they can win more than the supporter. Active timeout, users active within the past 5 minutes are eligible to win. You can set this up at for example 10 minutes. If a user is in the background and he is just there in the background for 15 minutes and he is not active in chat, he will not win. I set this up for example 5 minutes. If he or she is active in chat in 5 minutes, then he or she can win. Okay, you can set this up. Okay, then logs. Here in the logs, you will see who are the chatters, okay, who are the users, and what are their messages. Okay, so that's only the logs. And here, the regulars, you can set this up. Who are your regulars? And you can add users. All you have to do is input here their YouTube channel URL. If you want them to be included in your group as regulars, okay, then submit. I haven't set this up yet. Song request, well, we have the auto DJ. Well, I have just told you that I don't do this because of copyright issues. I don't know if these songs are copyrighted or no copyright. Well, I don't really, I'm not really sure. But they said that this is okay. But for safety, I don't use auto DJ. You can also have your playlist. Here in your playlist, you can play this continuously. If there is no request, this will be automatically played. Okay. And then spam protection. This is the settings that I focused on because of the filters like this, blacklist words, phrases. So you can set this up in options. So as you can see, I have set this up. If a word with sub, pitik, balik, kampana, like that, so they will be black. It is the blacklisted words. It will be caught by Nightbot, and then you can use the asterisk. So like this, if you have a word like test with an asterisk, so any word with test like test, testing, testerino, then it will be blocked by Nightbot. Okay. And if these words are blocked by Nightbot, the timeout will be 60 seconds. Well, that's my settings. You can set this up for whatever time you like to time out a user. I just use 60 seconds. And exemption, you can exempt moderator. Okay. Or if you want, you are the only one exempted. Moderators and below, they will be apprehended by Nightbot. Here, the exemption is moderator and the owner. And then custom message. If Nightbot is triggered by these blacklisted words, then this will be the message that will come out of the chat. So you can set this up. Whatever message you would like to tell the user, or whatever messages you want to pop up in the chat, then submit. This is already set up. Then access caps. So again, in options, you can set this up. You can enable, you can disable access emotes or emojis. You can set this up in options. You can enable, disable. Links. If some users want to place links in our chat, you can block it. Excess symbols, you can block this also. And repetitions, you can enable or disable it if you want to. So that's the spam protection. Well, basically these are the most used features of Nightbot. Well, there are here there are timers. This timer, thumbs up mga ka-tuber. Yeah, this is a reminder. Every 15 minutes, so you can add every 15 minutes what do you want to the Nightbot to say in the chat box. Okay, so this I set this up every 15 minutes, so you can edit, you can delete, you can add another reminder what you want to say in the chat room. Notifications, I haven't used this. Okay, there are help documents, so here are the help documents, you can read this. And support forum. Okay, so basically that's it. So that's the Nightbot. And then once you set this up, okay, here this if you click this, if you want to join the channel, but here this is a part channel because I already joined. When you click this join channel, there will be a link to your to this Nightbot, and you just add it to your channel. Okay, for example, you'll go to your channel, to your settings, and then go to community. Okay, and then you can add link. Okay, so here you will just click the link here and then save. That's it. Okay, here's the Nightbot. Okay, so there's the Nightbot. It has been added to the moderators.